It's Wednesday, the 29th of July. The heat remains a big issue here for today through the Saturday, but there's growing evidence that we could see a little bit of relief by Sunday with the passage of a cool front. So let's check things out here. This is the upper air look across the nation. Pretty standard for summertime. Broad ridging encompassing much of the United States. We have a little bit of a trough in the northeastern part of the country, but down here, visible satellite loop, very little in the way of clouds. It's mostly sunshine statewide. We are in the upper 90s, some locations already recording 100 degrees. And I do expect things to warm up a degree or two before sunset today. Heat remains the big issue across the south and southeast. Heat advisories all the way from Kansas down to Florida. A few extreme heat warnings for the desert southwest and parts of the deep south. And where that trough is in the northeast, we have some flooding issues for parts of New England. Severe weather today, for the rest of the today, risk of severe storms for parts of Florida and Georgia and parts of the western and parts of the northern high plains. Tomorrow, a risk of severe storms for parts of the central United States. And on day 3, which is Friday, a marginal risk for parts of the Ozarks down into the western high plains. Check rain for the next 7 days, valid through Wednesday of next week. Growing evidence that we could see a few isolated showers with the passage of that cold front, but don't expect any widespread rain. Many locations, I'd say about 98% of the region, will remain dry on Saturday. In terms of tropics, nothing new expected for the next 7 days. Atlantic Basin remains quiet, and the Gulf is expected to remain quiet through the 12th of August. So let's go day by day. This is the 12Z run of the European, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. Center of that heat ring over New Mexico. We're in the outer periphery of that, so things remain hot and dry with highs at or near triple digits for many locations. Same thing on Friday. Now, here Saturday as the weekend begins, the Euro is suggesting that by 4 o'clock on Saturday, the cold front's already moved on through with drier continental air from the north on the backside of that cold front. Now, could we see a shower or rain or two? Sure. This is the 12-kilometer NAM at 4 o'clock on Saturday, and it's suggesting that we could see a pocket of rain from the hill country into parts of the metroplex. But again, more than likely, this will just be isolated showers. Many locations will stay dry. Don't expect a washout. But just enjoy the cooler and drier air behind the front on Sunday. I do think Sunday will be a beautiful day across the across North Texas. I think many locations will record upper 60s for the first time in the while for morning lows. So it'll be a very beautiful morning, very beautiful day with highs in the low to mid 90s for many locations. Now here's Monday. As we get into the work week next week, things warm up very slightly with highs in the middle to upper 90s. Same thing on Tuesday and a week from today. This is Wednesday, the 5th of August. Center of that heat ring shifting out to the west over the Four Corners region now, but we're still in that high pressure, so things remain mostly dry. Let's go out 10 days. This is Saturday, the 8th of August, I'm sorry. Most of the country in broad ridging, and again, that looks quiet and dry. Temperatures coming off of the rainfall off of the European ensemble, the AI version. Between now and the 13th of August, a little under a quarter of an inch of rainfall. Temperatures coming off the Canadian ensemble, upper 90s to near triple digits through Saturday. And then we have a little bit of relief on Sunday through the middle of next week with highs in the mid to upper 90s. But then we bounce right back to the triple digit heat through starting on the weekend with lows mostly in the upper 70s to low 80s. Long range guidance, August 6th through the 12th. Temperatures above average for this time of the year. We are solidly in the red. Thank you for watching. Have a great day and stay hydrated.